My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Mr.Dark101. This is the ransomware targeting many Windows computers today. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. My video only has the mission to help you understand the danger of this ransomware and to help you understand how to protect your files ahead of time. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open any of your files without any troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Mr.Dark101 ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This particular ransomware damages the files considerably, and as a consequence it is just impossible to use the files anymore. Eventually the ransomware reveals the ransom note. It indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, and it appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. I urge you, in fact, not to pay the ransom. Instead, scan your computer with Cleaner Antivirus, which will help you to detect and delete this ransomware effectively. Get Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and then effectively eliminate all other types of threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on the system. After you start Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.